Hey, what's up everybody, so about me here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to create a subdomain and install WordPress on your subdomain using cPanel. Now the first step is to actually log into your cPanel. Now if you do not know how to do that, do not worry. All you just have to do is check your emails. One of the first emails that your hosting provider must have sent to you will contain your cPanel login details. And if you cannot find an email with your cPanel login details, do not worry. Log into your hosting provider's website, and in your dashboard, you should be able to find a one-click login to your cPanel. So now that we are logged in into cPanel, let's go to search tools and find domains. Now you will see your domains here, create, manage, and delete multiple domains. So you can click on this, or you could just scroll down the page, and under the segment for domains, you will see domains. So anyone, as long as you get to the domains, is all right. So now on the domains, you will see a list of the domains that you already have on your cPanel, but that's not our concern right now. What we are here to do is to create a new domain. So you can click on this button, create a new domain. And under domain, you will actually have to input your subdomain. Now, as you know, a subdomain is anything that comes before your website's domain name. So in case, like for my example, my website domain name is softaculous.com, and I want to create a blog, and I want to create this blog on a subdomain. What I'm going to type is blog.samsungtech.com. So that is my subdomain. Now the next thing I'm going to see is document root file system location. Now we are going to leave this unchecked because we do not want our subdomain to share document root with the primary domain. We want it to be independent. So we are going to leave this unchecked. So we are going to go ahead and click submit. And that is it. Our subdomain has been created. So now that we have created our subdomain, the next thing we will need to do is to install WordPress on our subdomain. And then we'll go back to cPanel. Now under cPanel, we can scroll down to software, and we'll see WordPress Manager by Subdomains, or we could actually search for WordPress here, and we will see it here, WordPress Manager by Subdomains. So any which one, you just click on it. And then all you have to do is click on install to install a fresh copy of WordPress. Now we need to choose where to install this WordPress, and we're actually going to choose the subdomain that we already created, which is blog.samsungtech.com, and we are going to name it as the recent version, which is 6.5.2. Now I leave the site name as my blog. You can edit that later, and then the site description, my WordPress blog, we could also edit that later. Now under the admin account section, under the admin username, you can delete admin and put in a better and a more secured username. So let me just go with Redmi Blue. Now, and then the password, we are going to delete this, and we are going to create a more secured password by clicking on this key icon here, and it's going to give us a more safe and secured password. So what we are going to do is we are going to need to copy this password, and we can put it somewhere on our notepad. We could also copy the username and put it somewhere on our notepad. So we know that this is our username and this is our password, because this will be our WordPress login details moving forward. So then under choose language, we have the option to choose any language you want. I will go with English because that's the language I understand. And then under the select plugins category, we are just going to leave this blank. I am not going to click on anything. I am not installing any WordPress plugin yet. And then the advanced option category. Now the data options category. This is where we actually input our database name and the table prefix. So I'm going to input anything here. And then the table prefix, we could also edit it or leave it just as it is. And then we are going to keep our backup location as default and our automated backup as don't backup right now. And then the final category is the select theme. Now, in this case, I am not choosing any theme. I will go with the default theme. When I want to customize my site, then I would choose the theme that best fits. And then in the email installation details, we are just going to put in any email address where all our installation details will be sent. So in case we do not copy down our WordPress username and password, everything will be sent to this email here. And then we are add and click install. And there you have it. Congratulations, the software was installed successfully. So we have successfully installed WordPress on our subdomain. Now we can go ahead to check our subdomain by clicking here, and you can see our subdomain, our blog.samtontech.com WordPress has been successfully installed. So we can also go ahead and log in by using the WP admin, filling our username and password. And there you have it. We are in the dashboard of our WordPress admin. Now, that is exactly how to create a subdomain and install WordPress on your subdomain with cPanel. Now, before I go, you might be wondering, why do you need to create a subdomain? Now, a subdomain can help give clarity to your website and help you organize the functions of your website properly. So in case you might decide, maybe you already have a website and you decide to create an e-commerce store, rather than have that e-commerce store as an extension of your site, you could create a subdomain for your e-commerce store and make it an independent website on its own. Same as if you want to have a blog or a forum or maybe any other function of your website that you just think about. You could create a subdomain for it. Another use case is for web designers and developers. You could create a subdomain to test out certain features on your client's website without actually messing up with the main website. And when you actually do and your client is satisfied, you can then move the changes to the main website. So there are so many for a subdomain. You could create a subdomain. If you wanted a different site for people in a different location, you could have that subdomain. Maybe if you wanted a different website for people in Lagos, lagos.yourwebsite.com. If you want a different website for people in Abuja, abuja.yourwebsite.com. And if you want a different website for people in the United States, unitedstates.yourwebsite.com. So there are many reasons why you should actually create a subdomain, but most of all, it helps enhances your website and it gives clarity to your website. And that is it. So if you did find this video, please do not forget to click that subscribe button. Also, do not forget to click the like button so that the algorithm can push this video out to many more people that will find it useful. So till I come your way again, as always, I'm to stay blessed. God loves you.